Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Professor Crypto. Got another hot crypto class for you guys today. This one's on fire. You guys already know anything we bring on the channel, it's got the heat, got the potential, and it definitely should be watched. This one is no different, guys, so without further ado, let's jump right into it. Class is now in session. This one is called Bitkey. For anyone who doesn't know, Bitkey is a premium Bitcoin hardware wallet that combines the convenience of an exchange with the security of a hardware wallet. Guys, you can easily buy Bitcoin at the best price, securely stored on your device, and watch it grow. Bitcoin is like owning a piece of the future. It deserves a hardware that's as beautiful as it is secure. And of course, the day has finally come where I have received my Bitkey, guys. Let's go. Hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. Oh yeah, guys, we got it right here. I got my Bitkey. The packaging on this is super lit as well, guys. I'm loving it. Just gonna pull this puppy out right here, and wowzer, look at this, guys. Absolutely beautiful. We've got the one and only Bitkey in Professor Crypto's hand. Let's check it out, guys. Wowzer, look at the quality of this thing. Wow, so nice. After you pull it out of the box there, guys, you just lift this piece off and you've got your cables right here. As well, at the top here, we have all of our instructions and information regarding the product for us to check out and read in case if we get lost. So as I explained to you at the beginning of the video, guys, what Bitkey is all about, the next step is to actually download the Bitkey app. Now that's what I'm gonna do right now through this QR code on their website, guys. So I'm gonna take my smartphone, I'm gonna scan the QR code here. It brings me to the app store, as you can see here on my smartphone, and I'm gonna hit get, double click to install, and we're gonna start the installation process. Now that the app is fully installed, we're gonna open it and we're gonna hit set up a new wallet. So now we gotta wake our Bitkey device by touching the fingerprint reader until you see a white light. I have the white light here, guys. As you can see, it's on and it's flashing. So I'm gonna hit continue on my phone, and I'm gonna hit pair Bitkey device. They're gonna say scan, hold the device to the back of your phone. I'm gonna hold it to the back. Now, guys, it's very important that you have this side with the flashing light touching the back of your phone like this. That's what's gonna make it pair. Okay, and you can see that it was a success now, guys. So now we're gonna set up our first fingerprint. So place your finger on the sensor until you see a blue light. Lift your finger and repeat 15 to 20 times, adjusting your finger position slightly each time until the light turns green. So let's do that. So you guys can see here, it's turning blue every time I tap it, and I've got to do it 15 to 20 times until it turns green. So let's continue to do it until it turns green, and it's turned green there, guys. Boom, look at that. Amazing. So now it's creating the account for us. Very easy to use, guys. I absolutely love it. Setting up is very quickly, so you can back it up to iCloud as well. Make sure you do that just for safety. Set up your recoveries. Make sure you allow the notifications, and you're gonna do email, and you can do SMS if that's what you want to do as well. Verify. Got my code. I'm gonna verify that, guys. Now I'm all verified. Perfect. I'm gonna hit continue. So we'll need push notifications, Bitkey updates, and emails, and you have to agree to their terms and services. From there, guys, our wallet is gonna load, and here we are. We're in the app now, guys. Absolutely amazing. So easy to use. As you can see, guys, that setup took so quick, and you guys can see how easy it is to buy Bitcoin with one of their exchange partners. You're gonna hit add Bitcoin, and you can do purchase, and from there you're gonna choose your amount, hit next, and for instance, MoonPay, you see right here, guys, you're gonna click that, and then you're able to move forward through the MoonPay portal. In conclusion, guys, I just want to say how great that this feels in my hand. A Bitcoin wallet worthy to hold my Bitcoin. Look how classy this looks, guys. Gold on the back, looks like a piece of stone on the front. It's recommended that if you hold $1,000 or more of Bitcoin, you should take 10 to 20% of it and put it in self-custody, not just for safety, but just so you have a safe place to move your Bitcoin into your custody in the future. They have a revolutionary user interface for Bitcoin hardware, guys. No screen, future-proofs the device so that you could keep buying new one. Biometric access, multi-sig makes it incredibly easy to use and hard hard to lose access. It's a great gift for people, guys, like kids, parents, friends. Plus, it's easy to use, and you won't have to be the tech support that they always call for help. You guys should check out Bitkey on their website, guys. Shout out to all my students. I love you. Shout out to the Crypto Class Gang. Shout out to the Lab Gang. Shout out to the Well Gang. Shout out to the Holla Gang. Thank you for always your continued support, guys. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that like button for me. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Please remember, guys, we aren't impartial channels, so whether your opinion is negative or positive, we'd be more than happy to hear it. That being said, guys, we'll see you in our next video. Professor Crypto out. Really hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe button if you're interested in seeing some more crypto reviews and exclusive international blockchain events. We are the channel for that, guys, as you know. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.